Because the effect unangagwa intensifies the search for social media ghosts azvipere pushe mutungamiri wenyika panguva ino vanhu vaya vachiti this is the effect but tiri kuona ZANU-PF is now rolled out aiwa the move yekuda kubata vakomana vese vari kucriticize the ruling party especially those vari kushandisa maghost accounts vachiexpose chaos iriitika the ruling party ZANU-PF pamwe chete nekukriticize mutungamiri wenyika sanda muna masvika kudanjurwa panapa irobva subscribe like out on the bell icon tina mzimu kudanya pamuchinzi. The Zimbabwe Republic Police is ramping up efforts to silence online dissent amid concerns of potential social unrest. Commissioner General Police Stephen Mutamba revealed that 63 detectives completed a 45-day training course on tracking, response, and investigation, including cybercrime in courts. We've intensified the capacitation and skills development of CID CRACK team in the fight against cybercrime, among other high-profile cases, Mutamba said. The police forces increased focus on technology suggests a calculated move to thwart online dissent. Mutamba emphasized the importance of improving protocols and tactical preparedness. The move has raised concerns about the government's commitment to freedom of expression and assembly. Citizens may face increased scrutiny and potential repercussions for expressing dissenting views online. Ndo masvika ari kuda panguva ine vachiona kuti vana Mutamba panguva ine vatuya vakatotraina maforces ekuti auya abate vese vanokriticize the ruling party pamwe chete kushandisa social media zvisizvo. Zviri kuonekwa as the Geza effect. Vari kuonekwa kuti Bombshell Geza anova the leader pakukriticize the ruling party ZANU-PF panguva ino the regime is stressed nekumutsvaka nekuda kumubata just because aiwa ari kuita kuti macitizens azive nezvimwe zvanga vasikafaniri kuziva. Tose mafungiro enyu mati kudii pamusoro pechiitiko chinoda comment section medu. So mafungiro enyu, so subscribe or like, turn the bell icon.